So yeah, there's a real need in Dubai for energy efficiency because as a developing country, it was built very quickly. That was done because energy prices were relatively low, and what was more important was the growing and never-ending demand and need for buildings and development. So that took precedent over energy efficient design, construction, and operation. And being in the desert, we're in a very extreme climate. So Dubai, the UAE, is sunny 364 days a year, rains almost zero, and always has a very intense sun, solar radiation hitting the building. So when you have glass buildings, that causes them to consume a lot of energy. The H&H story is a good one. They were suffering from high expenses in their building. When we saw that the pumps in these three buildings, Indigo, Green, and Falcon, were wasting energy, were vibrating, were causing issues, weren't reliable, and there were savings potential, we saw this as a real winner, as an equipment to replace.
During our first meetings, when we were presented the plan, the schedule, it was really interesting the fact that we didn't have to spend any money for doing all this upgrade of the equipment. The idea is really simple. They have a return on investment based on the savings that those buildings will perform.
Yes.
It's a win-win situation because we have a new equipment, state-of-the-art equipment. We extend the lifespan of our equipment, of our assets. We can provide a better environment to our residents, which is really important for us in H&H. They have a return on investment based on the savings that those buildings will perform. I'm really keen to say that it was worth it. With the most recent energy inspection surveys shown a significant drop on the energy consumption up to 80% for Indigo Tower and Falcon Tower and up to 70% for Green Tower, and the overall decline in energy saving up to 20 to 25% for all the portfolio that we are under Taka Solution.
I think to me and us, we see buildings as these locked potential of value, whether that's energy savings, carbon savings, money savings, whatever that is, and they're all sitting almost in these buildings untouched and untapped, and all we need to do is get to them and almost open the valve. It's not hopes and dreams or something that's not feasible. It's right there, and it's very simple to go and achieve that. That's where Grundfos, it's as easy as replacing a light bulb. We know we can trust them, we know what they're going to put in is right, it's going to be the right optimized solution that's going to work for the long term, not just today, but also tomorrow.